There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way, promise me that you know.
I love these enamel mugs, but they get very hot. The whole thing gets very hot when you've got a hot drink in there, so I need to let that cool for a little while. Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I thought today I would do an old school style cozy at home vlog. I haven't done something like this for a long time. I've got a couple of things planned today, like baking. I'm going to attempt to bake some poppy seed bread rolls, and yeah, I just thought I would, you know, make a really cozy, relaxing video for you guys to watch. I'm just filming on my old vlog camera, so it's like really back to basics. We're just gonna have a nice chilled catch up, and I'm really looking forward to it, to be honest. I've got some really exciting videos coming out in the next couple of weeks, like some more Lidl ones and Morrison's vegan ones, and also a Tesco food challenge. But yeah, before I just start throwing all that at you, I thought we would take it back to basics this week, well today, and chill out together and just do some baking. Obviously I've just got my KitchenAid, so I'm a bit like, move aside Mary Berry, it's my time to shine, that's how I'm feeling. But yeah, how are you all? I hope you're doing very well. I've been doing bits and bobs of work this morning and also studying. I do get a lot of questions of what I'm studying, so I'm studying different diplomas at the moment, one of them being environmental science and sustainable living, and the other is sign language. I've always my whole life wanted to learn sign language. I haven't actually started that yet. I'm bouncing between work, studying and doing baking and just trying to look after my mental health at the moment. So yeah, I hope you're all well and I hope you're excited for today's video. If you are, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe. I would love it if you could join the fam over on Sopherina. Yeah, let's get on with the day. These are the type of rolls I'm baking. I think I'm baking 8. I'll link this recipe down below, but I just basically got it off the Tesco foods. So yeah, let's see how it goes. There's a little fly in this kitchen. I'm going to make most of this with my KitchenAid, which is why I've been loving baking. The KitchenAid is over there at the moment. But there's a few like labor intensive bakes that I need to do. I love baking, I find it really therapeutic. 2 teaspoons of fast action dried yeast. I've got a sachet of dried yeast. Do you think that is 2 teaspoons worth? Yeah, so a sachet is basically 2 teaspoons. Don't you just love baking? Lawrence used to get he didn't really used to enjoy baking because his method of cooking is very chuck it all in and it will taste good the more flavour there is, whereas with baking you need to be a bit more methodical. You actually need to like follow directions, and I suppose that could make people lose confidence. I think I bake like twice a week now, which might not be a lot for some people, but for me, much more than I was doing. I've also really been enjoying reading at the moment. I'm rereading Anne of Green Gables. If you've never read it, it's a wonderful story, and there's also a Netflix series, so it's great to like read the book and then watch the series. I'd recommend it. I put on my community post how much I appreciate you all, and there's just thousands of you now that are here and you're present and you show up every time I'm showing up, and you get involved in conversations and you leave wonderful inspiring messages and you give people tips on what to buy and how to use things, and you tell me that your babies and your children watch me with you. Yeah, you just get involved like a proper like friendship group, you know, and it's amazing. I feel very, very lucky to have like such kind people around me. Like obviously I do get the odd trollololololol who will say something mean, but do you know what, they really don't bother me. I know they can be bothersome and they are basically online bullies, and there's no difference to them than there is to like a school bully. But if you think back to school and when there's bullies at school, what are they? They're just really insecure, unhappy individuals who are very jealous and yeah, just very insecure people, and you've got to pity them. You've got to just hope that they'll be happy one day. I don't notice them, I just wish they'll be okay. But yeah, anyway, really cool, kind community I have here that just are happy people. And yeah, you've made, like, since I started YouTube, you've made life great for me, particularly this year. Like, you've really made a difference in my life, and I just want you to know that. Honestly, truly have. I know people can say things like, oh, I just love you so much, but genuinely, you've made a difference in my life. Right, so I kind of have turned all the butter into breadcrumbs. Let's just see how it goes. I've never baked these before in my life, and you've got to try everything for the first time, haven't you?
Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life.
Let's go annoy Lawrence. What's he up to? Kobe!
Hello, Pumpkin.
How are you? I'm vlogging today.
Oh, I'm very good. I'm just working on a little project.
A little project. Interesting. Using my office.
The studio.
No. Lawrence is going to give me a piano lesson later or tomorrow.
Well, whenever. You can have a little session. You decided what you're going to learn?
Yeah, the when you wish upon a star, because I actually learnt part of that on the piano last year, do you remember?
I do.
And it was really good. Anyway, I was going to say, what did you have to do this morning?
Oh, carry half a mouse into the bin.
He had to put half a mouse.
The back end.
The back end. Because our cats had, for some reason, brought half a mouse home instead of a whole mouse, which was delightful.
Nice. Yeah, really appreciate that.
Anyway, just thought I would check how you are. What?
Is that the KitchenAid that I can hear?
Yeah, poppy seed rolls.
Is it kneading?
It's kneading for the next 15 to 20 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Wow.
I know. 5 minutes in and it's looking good. Fresh washing. Just topped my tea up, and now I'm going to come into the living room because that's my office for the week. And I'm going to do a bit of work. I'm going to put something on the telly. I've been really enjoying putting like a ballet on the TV, like the Nutcracker or Swan Lake or something. I think because the weather has got cold and grey again, I'm starting to go into, I'm not going to say it, but the C word mood. And not the rude C word, the festive C word. I know I shouldn't be thinking about it this early. I'm not going to watch an actual Christmas film or an actual festive film, but I do like to put classical music on, and I'm just really in the mood for like the Nutcracker type classical music. Yeah, and I'm just gonna get chilled on the sofa, do some editing. It's just like a really nice feeling type of day, you know? It's like grey but calm outside, and it's making me feel good. Here are the mouse killers. Yeah, you. Ah, you want to come in now? Haven't got anything in your mouth, have you, darling? Nothing in your mouth? No? Okay, you can come in. Have you? Okay, you can come in, as long as there's no mice. One. Coming in, boo-boo? Coming in. Oh, funny.
Don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown.
Okay, it's been about an hour and 5 minutes. It's more than doubled in size. It's bloody tripled. This is brilliant. Now with this, I need to take it out. I need to punch it a few times where you punch the air out. And then I need to put it into 8 different rolls. And we proof it again on baking trays. So yeah, I'm really happy with that so far. That has got really, really big.
But you know where to go if you follow that heart. one step at a time. We all play our part. Go on now, be good, be fine.
Okay, my rolls have doubled in size, so they are looking good. Should I flatten them down a bit? Will they rise?
No, you should leave them where they were.
Okay. Alright, I'll leave them.
It's just good.
Oh, they're looking good, I think. Yeah, so we'll freeze 4. Gosh, they feel like really souffle-y, if that makes sense.
Oh yeah, they are soft, aren't they?
Oh, I wish I hadn't like squish those down. They're coming out the oven. Oh, it does smell good actually. Sure.
Yeah.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, they look well cute.
They're good.
Here they are. I'm actually really happy with them. They have like a really nice feeling texture. They now need to cool for a while.
Great.
Yeah?
They're amazing.
Oh, I hope so.
Yeah. And they got this really nice like squidginess, like that.
We'll let them cool and try them out later, but for a first ever in my entire life attempt at making poppy seeded rolls, I'm happy with them. It's a little bit later now. We've just been working. We're going out for a walk now. It's all cozy and festive and rainy outside.
It's like June, that's what it is. It's raining in June.
I know, it's terrible. I just instantly, I'm like, ooh, cozy weather.
The number of every day I've had to
Weather.
say no, Soap, it's too early for a Christmas film.
Just one to get me through. That's all
No.
I need. Like a mid-year Christmas film to get me through is all I need. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go out for our nice cozy walk now and bring you along with us. Enjoying the nature, the beautiful views, the fresh air.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on
Ate
holding
enough of
my
those
head
seeds, you'd actually get high.
Really?
True.
Poppy seed facts.
What's the effect?
We've just had dinner and I'm about to get in the bath. Let me just show you that Lawrence is eating a butter sandwich.
So you've got all the soft bits of the potato,
Yeah.
which you mashed up with butter.
Yeah.
All you've got is a salty skin. Tuck a massive lump of butter in. This was actually melted a little bit too much. You want it to be only partially melted. And then you just like fold it up like that, so it's all like juicy. And then you have a nice big bite of it, and then it's just it's buttery and salty, and it's just the best thing ever. It makes Soap feel sick, but it's the best thing ever.
That is a good crunch though, good potato skin. Yeah, that makes me feel physically sick, so I'm gonna leave the room. But I really need to get in the bath. I ran it a little while ago and I always leave it to cool. Look at this little princess.
Oh, God.
Look. She's being all cutesy. I got a Nintendo Switch. I need to tell you about my Animal Crossing. Yeah, I don't think I've told you yet that I've bought a Nintendo Switch. I thought, do you know what? I've had a rough year. I know everyone's had a rough year, but it's been really rough in this house for me. So I decided to treat myself to a Nintendo Switch, and I'll probably talk about it on the kind of next casual video like this. But let's just say Animal Crossing is everything I hoped it would be and more. I've used these bubbles tonight, the Sanex ones. They smell great. But the old Rose oil I picked up from Home Bargains last week, I think, and it's great. It creates little bubbles, but also it just smells great, helps clear out my congestion every evening. I'm suffering with a lot of hay fever at the moment, so this is really helping my congestion. But yeah, I've got my candle lit. My bath's ready now to relax.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away.
Cool.
It's the next day now, and need to end the vlog.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought I would end it together. Yeah, I just wanted to ask, because I was saying to you the other day, I don't know whether to upload these type of videos on the separate channel or to keep them on this channel. Because I really want to do, like, I think I want to do Vlogmas this year. But I never know, because there'll be so much other, like, foodie content, like the last Christmas videos, like with the supermarket stuff. I never know whether to put it on this channel or do it on the other channel, but then I know lots of people enjoy this kind of video, and then some people, I don't know. Have a think, like I will upload this on this channel today, and then just have a think. Have a think.
Have a think.
But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I think the next kind of casual vlog we do, I will include, well, Lawrence will make the cheese scones. I did have a lot of questions about them on a video I just recently uploaded. Look, I'm in knitwear.
I know, so
Isn't this getting ridiculous?
It's June.
It's June, like bring back the summer, honestly, because I just cannot be getting festive right now. It's too early.
Like 2 weeks ago, I had factor 50 on in the garden.
Yeah, and still getting a tan. So the summer needs to come back urgently.
Now.
We need to spend more time outside, get that vitamin D, have some barbecues. The year just feels like the weirdest year in the world, and I just want some normality. Anyway, let's all do a little sun dance in the comments down below. Fingers crossed it's back very, very soon. We'll see you again very soon. Don't forget I upload 3 times every single week, so there'll be a new video in a couple of days. Love you very much, hope you're well and safe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.